Yes, hello, good morning, and welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. Are we again? This morning, or better yet, this afternoon. Yeah, because after 12 now, me I say I forgot start collaborate with the time better. But anyway, this morning I come to talk to the one Pretty Dan, aka Ugly Dan. You girl, you mean to tell me, say, you sit up on social media and I give the police them right when you see say them wrong, right? You see what the police them did in the case of the video where them show up on the internet. The policeman them clearly apprehend the youth them without any weapon on them and try to frame the youth them and put a weapon on them and try to kill them right in front of everybody. So if them girl they never stand up right there and start get boisterous and scream and do all kind of things, I'm pretty sure them youth they would have end up dead. See? For no reason. This seems like it's a trend now going on in Jamaica. So, you want to tell me it's every youth where you see in Jamaica, I drive in a car with 4 persons. Them automatically is a gunman. And that you not try to tell the nation. And every youth want to see with 4 youth in a car, a bad people them. And that the nation gone to now. Bro, me see a video the other day. Police pull over a car. Them search the car. And when them search the car, right? Them search the car. And them a go away. And me one of the youth I say, hey. How you do? Come pick up your things, When me look, I one of the police magazine, they in the youth them vehicle. Right? And the youth them a tell him say, yo, them now move them car until him come take it up. And when him walk around there, him act like him not see the magazine will drop in the youth them vehicle. So, if them youth they never see the magazine there, you know what happen? Them youth they would drive off with the magazine in the car and them that end up pull them over up the road and say them a gunman and kill the youth them for a magazine without no gun. You see me? And them think that go on to Jamaica too often. You know much youth me see them pull over because enough video come out. Youth them had a gun pan them and them put gun pan the youth them and kill the youth them. Let me tell you something. No police have the right to kill no man. No matter where him do. As long as him not shoot off at the police, when the police proceed to apprehend him, then the police now no right to shoot him and kill him. Because every criminal have them there in a court. So you cannot approach one thing and I do the other. Because you're just as bad as the criminal them with the outer road that kill people. Because if you catch them and you kill them, what is that saying? If you don't bring them in to get processed and go through the system so them can get sentenced and be, rehabilitated, you are just as bad as the criminal them. And now you're going to tell me, say, people, I got through them situation here, and you, girl, down on social media, I talk about the man them for dead. Remember, you know, your family at Jamaica, you know, and it can reach your doorstep too, you know. I mean, don't want you your ball when it blood clot happen to none of your family, them no girl. Make sure, you know. Oh, because we are going to Jamaica, fuckery. There's no police have no right to kill nobody. Them supposed to bring in the criminal them and make them go through the system. Because every man have a right to him date in court. Criminal or not. That is him God-given rights in any country him living in. No care what kind of crime he might commit. If you catch him and him not shoot off on if he kill or not, you're supposed to bring him in and make the court system deal with him. Because that's why we have a judicial system. It work or it don't work. Whichever one. But no police have the right to assassinate nobody per spot. But them a judge and jury and executioner. That law need to change at Jamaica because them boy are get away too much bomb buckler thing a yard. Too much thing. I only for innocent youth them kill off. And now them a walk on and a put gun and a put blood clot magazine in people car. I want to go the whole I want to make Jamaica can better because I pick up for them boy. I say you boy on the spot media is one biased bomb buckler boy. Because all of them video there come out and you see what I go on and you still a talk about the police have to take drastic measure. Yes. But not when you see them a bomb buckler commit them fraud there. You have to call them out. Because if the nation sit back and allow them to do them fuck with it, what you think is going to happen? They might kill off everybody. Good and bad. And them something they can't go on. Because if a man not commit crime, then they're supposed to want to kill somebody. And if you allow the youth them are moving the bomb buckler and go, hey girl pretty done, go and move your bomb buckler. We not go for them things no more, bro. We need a new system, man. And the next thing we need to talk about, yo, Jamaica. We need a federal government. We're pushing for that. We need a federal government to patrol the police them and the government official them when them commit crime so them can get locked the fuck up and go to jail just like everybody else. Because there's nobody immune from going to prison if you commit crime. Just know that. Government official or not, you're supposed to go to prison. The system cannot work for one person, just one person all the time. It has to work for everybody. And a government official is just a title. At the end of the day, when you leave the office and you take off your shirt and you take off your blood clot title, you're a regular civilian. Move on the pussy clot and go allow the people in Pitney and stop killing the people in Pitney. And you girl pretty done, you soon get where your blood clot look for. That me I tell you. Oh.